Good morning, and once again, here is your morning market brief. We begin overseas, this time with the major Asian indices mostly on the downside, with the Bombay Sensex index declining a total of 2.09%. The major European indices starting off in the red on the downside, and U.S. stock futures are pointing towards a lower open. Now, the Eurozone finance ministers over the weekend have delayed a 12 billion euro package for the nation of Greece in loans, and without the loan itself for the nation, the country will default on its sovereign debt figures by the middle of July. Moody's, meanwhile, threatened to downgrade Italy's AA2 credit rating in the next 3 months. This on growing concerns that Greece's debt crisis and its push in interest rates will continue to spread around the rest of the Eurozone. Meanwhile, wages and salaries in the Eurozone, in terms of economic reports, they were up a total of 2.3% in the first quarter of 2011. This from a year ago, but the wage increase so far has been lower. The consumer prices jump up 2.7%. Now, in terms of earnings reports and company news, PNC Financial Services Group has agreed to buy Royal Bank of Canada's U.S. retail banking operations for roughly $3.45 billion. Boeing, meanwhile, has secured a $1.7 billion US deal in order to provide Qatar with 6 777 jets. Bankrupt bookstore Borders Group Incorporated is now expected to release its bidder on July 1st of this year. The bankruptcy court is now expected to hold an auction at July 19th, and the auction itself will begin on July 22nd, excuse me. And Goldman Sachs cut its second quarter GDP growth outlook to 2% from 3%, citing high employment as well as weak manufacturing.